Welcome back, guys, to another video with Auto Rebuilds Garage, and today we're Insurance Auto Auction and we're checking out the 14 Wrangler. And in this video we're going to be looking at some Jeeps, so if you're here for some Jeeps, stay tuned, you're going to see them. So let's check this thing out. Somebody painted this thing in camo or some kind of camo wannabe. Looks, you know, some kind of paint. It looks like it got damaged on this side where we're at right now. And it has some tires, pretty decent tires. Got a pretty, look at this KC lights. Look at this grill guard with the hitch on the front. And does it have any frame damage? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like there was any hit to the frame. Has a little cooler right here. Looks like a oil cooler, some kind of cooler going here. So let's take a look here. This got hit. It looks like it probably cleared that or got stuck underneath something. We can't open the door, so we can't take a look inside, but here's a couple things that got damaged. Hey, got a fancy fuel cap. Look at this thing. This side is damaged, the top is damaged. Yeah, definitely some kind of rollover, but I gotta say the tires are pretty good shape. So if you get this thing for cheap, I mean, at least the tires are good. So if you want to check this thing out, go to IAA.com and check out that stock.
And it says it runs and drives.
Run and drive. And look at these headlights too. Some kind of custom headlights. American flag on the front. America. Kind of lock here. Master lock.
It's like a winch.
Could be. We got some more Jeeps here today to check out, so let's keep going. Here we got 1997 Cherokee. It's like an off-roading vehicle as well. Let's check out under the hood here. Everything looks pretty good, just a little dirty. A little oil on the top valve cover there. But I mean, what do you expect? It's a 1997, 196,000 miles on this thing. So let's keep going. The tires on this thing also not too bad. Let's take a look inside how the interior is. Yeah, I got power locks, power doors. Man, this thing's fancy. It does not smell like smoke in here.
No smoke, no smoke.
No smoke, no smoke. The windshield is cracked, I forgot to mention that. Got a brand new tire here on top of this roof rack. So be sure to go check this thing out. I mean, you could go off-roading with the boys right when you pick it up. Hopefully. We don't know. But it's not in too bad shape. Here's a stock number. Go check it out. It also says it is a run and drive, so, you know, maybe you could just drive it off the lot. I don't know. Well, let's go check out some more.
All right, guys, so the next Jeep we got is a 2012 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. And this is a badass looking Jeep. It's orange, so it's already badass. Let's see what the damages are. So the damages are all under here for the most part. it's got some suspension damage, but you guys are in luck. They got a bungee on here, so you can probably just drive it home. No, I'm just joking. That's broken, so they got that bungee holding something. And this is a really nice looking Jeep. Got sick wheels and tires. They're a little scraped up, might be fixable. I don't know if the other side is damaged, but got custom little step bars. Interior is really nice. Got leather seats, no airbags blown. Super nice interior. Got 78,000 miles, which is not bad. And let's just keep going around and see what else we can find. So the back looks good. It's got a full-size pair with the same wheels, it looks like. And yeah, this side looks good. The hardtop is in good shape. It looks like it's not damaged. And let's keep going. This side, this wheel, I don't know, maybe it's churned because the other one's churned. It says on the windshield it got suspension damage. We obviously see the suspension damage. So we're gonna show you the stock number really quick. And like we say all the time, just another example of what they got here, guys. So here, let's check out the stock number. Another thing IAA does is some of these cars, they write 360 view. So if you go on their website at IAAI.com, you can go and physically see the whole car 360. So if there's something we maybe missed that you guys wanted to see, but they don't offer this on all the cars, but on some of them. So that's something you guys should go check out. We got a Cherry here. We got ourselves a 1999 Jeep Cherokee. Now this is just a beast, guys. Let's check it out. Leather seats, a little torn, nothing a little duct tape can't fix. The seat's not bolted down really, so that's a little sketchy, but it's got a aftermarket radio. The body is in good shape for a Jeep. Yeah, we got a custom slicks. I'm guessing this was a drag car at one point, but we don't know. And it comes with an extra wheel in the back. Can't beat that. It's a 4.0 liter. It's got a hitch. Let's keep going. Body looks fine. Looks like it had a roof rack at one point. Somebody patched some holes on it. With this thing, the tire probably totaled it. So that's probably what happened. The tire got flat and they just totaled it. No, just joking. Let's see. We got a little bit of damage here. And the license plate is damaged. License plate bracket. It is a run and drive. It's got 258,000 miles. So it just got broken in, guys. This thing is ready for another 200,000 miles, easy. And let's check out the stock number really quick. We got the stock number right here.
Okay, so we got here our 2007 Wrangler, and this thing is in not too bad of a condition other than this side. I mean, nothing but a little Bondo won't be able to fix. No, but it has kind of severe damage to this side. The whole, basically from this quarter panel down to this door, to this pillar, it's pretty damaged. Looks like it was laid on its side. It is a run and drive though, so I mean, I guess you could technically drive this thing off the lot. Also, the side here, and I seen earlier the roof was damaged as well. It looks like it caved in a little bit. But this side just has some minor scrapes here. Nothing too bad. So let's check out the interior. Interior just needs a little cleanup. The seats seem to be in pretty decent shape. Nothing major, but it is missing a piece of a roof. Over here you can see that you might have to get a
one of the tops.
One of those tops. So yeah, guys, this has 90,000 miles on it. 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Check out the stock number. go to the website. You know, maybe you want this and maybe you could fix it, bid on it. Maybe you need some parts, you know, who knows. Go check this thing out. Not too bad, not too shabby.
But it says the driver's door is jammed. I don't know why.
Yeah, I wonder why it's jammed. Interesting, huh? Okay guys, thank you for watching another video with Auto Rebuilds Garage. This video was just Jeeps. As you guys seen, we do a lot more videos with different types of cars, different models, years, and all that. So if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.